Good medical morning. Before we get started, can you identify what's on this man's leg? Stick around because we'll come back to it in a moment. This video is called Don't Blink, and it is from TikTok. Wow. Now, let's take a look at Blake's extraction. The title indicates that it is a needle in the hand and it looks like it got infected. We'll keep you posted on the aftermath, so make sure to click the notification bell. Irene is getting this cyst extracted tomorrow, but she couldn't help a little pre-game pop. Oh, and stick around for after the Pimple Popper tool commercial, as I will have a few bonus pops like this at the end of the video. So what do you think, folks? Is this an infected leg cyst? Hey folks, get rid of those blemishes like a pro with this 7-piece pimple popping kit. It has high quality, full-size tools, a variety of specialized ends including a lancet, and a handy case for easy storage and travel. See the Amazon link below, it ships quickly from the USA.